In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a bank account to HoneyBook for payments. If you're looking to streamline your payment processes, HoneyBook offers a straightforward way to link your bank account and manage transactions seamlessly. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can follow along easily and get set up with minimal fuss. To begin, you'll need to log in to HoneyBook. Open your web browser and navigate to honeybook.com. Once there, enter your credentials to sign into your account. If you're new to HoneyBook, make sure you're using the email and password you set up during registration. It's a good habit to check that you're logging into the official site, as it ensures the security of your personal data. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the top right corner of the HoneyBook dashboard. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Company Settings. Navigating through your settings menu can sometimes feel overwhelming, but remember, you're just a click away from customizing HoneyBook to fit your business needs. With the company settings open, direct your focus to the left sidebar. You'll notice several categories, but what you're looking for is either payments or bank details. This is where you'll set the foundation for managing transactions and payment processing efficiently. With this system, HoneyBook offers a streamlined way to handle payments, which can save you invaluable admin time and allow you to focus more on what you do best. Now, it's time to add your bank account to HoneyBook. Within the Payments or Bank Details section, you should see an option that says Connect Bank Account or Add Bank. Click on this and you'll be guided to a new window. Here, you have the choice to directly select your bank from a list of options provided. If your bank isn't listed, or if you prefer, you have the flexibility to enter your details manually. If you choose to manually enter your bank information, you'll need to provide your account number and routing number, information that's crucial for setting up your financial systems in the US. If you're outside the US, you might need to input different local banking details, so make sure you have these at hand. Remember, accuracy here is key. A misplaced digit could disrupt your transactions. Linking your bank account to HoneyBook is a vital step toward ensuring you smoothly receive payments for your business. By following these steps, you can confidently handle your finances within HoneyBook. This feature is designed to offer not just convenience, but also peace of mind, knowing that your payment processes are secure and efficient. So take a moment to make sure everything is correctly set up and you'll be ready to go. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your workflow with HoneyBook.